Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your RAM in your Medion gaming laptop. So you flip to the back, you see a little panel over here where you have to undo some screws. So you go 1, 2, 3 and 4 right there. It's going to be a little notch here and you just lift it right up. Now you will see the RAM slots, RAM number 1, RAM number 2. So I'll just take this out and show you how to install it. Okay, so you get your RAM, make sure it's compatible with your laptop. You can find out on Crucial Memory, where you download software that tells you how much RAM your computer will take and what sort of RAM it will take. So for this one, mine is a standard SOICAL memory by Samsung. Okay, so it's 8 GB and that's 8 GB to make 16, because 16 is the maximum you can store in this. So you got that little notch right there. You put it, oops, don't drop it like I did, but you put it right in that little black notch right there. So you line it up all the way around. Try to do this 100. So you just slot it in like that. Okay, not like that. These clips are really flimsy. Okay, these clips are really flimsy. You have to be careful that you don't do this mistake. So make sure you don't do that mistake. So I'll show you again. So take it out, you put inside that notch right there. Okay, now you gently press it down till these clips go into that slot. So mine's in now, okay? So you just make sure everything's lined up, everything's in place, turn it on, and I will show you how to find out if it actually has worked. So to find out how much RAM you got, you click Ctrl or and delete. Then you come like a drop down menu where you see Task Manager. You click on it. You go here to Performance. Click on Memory. And it will tell you how much memory is available, but how much memory is installed. So currently 4.5 gig is in use and 15.99 is not in use. So it's only using 20%, 28% of the memory that's installed, and it tells you right at the bottom how many slots is in used. So 2 slots are in used, and yeah, that's how you find out if it actually has worked.